Hello, welcome back to Krafty Soulz.
In this video, I have made a decor which is made out of a waste. It can be used for Valentine Day decor or home decor or indoor plant decor. If your boyfriend or a girlfriend is a plant lover, you can gift it to them and feel special because handmade gifts are always precious and unique. To make this, we need ice cream balls and cups, plaster of Paris, glue, acrylic color, glue gun, thread and some indoor plants. Come, let's see how to make it. In a cup, take 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris and 1 tablespoon of white glue. If you need, you can add little amount of water and mix it well. Now take a ice cream bowl and a sponge. By using the sponge, you can apply the paste on it. The paste should not be too thin or too thick consistency. This paste acts as a primer. You can apply the acrylic color directly, but it won't give a good look. By applying this primer and then if you color it with acrylic color, then it gives a matte look finishing. After applying the primer, let it dry for a few minutes and then start coloring with the acrylic color, whichever color you like it. Now let's rough sketch on the ball. You can draw any kind of emojis you like. I used 2 kinds of emojis. After drawing the rough sketch, let's start coloring with acrylic color. The upper part of the decor is ready. Look how beautiful and cute it is. Now take the ice cream cup and mark the point for attaching the legs and the hands. By using the needle or a thick wire, you can make a hole at the marked point. Take the thread and insert in the hole as shown in the video. Take a paper and crush it into a ball and paste it above the ice cream cup using the glue gun and paste a cap above the paper. Now the cap will act as a neck part. Now, using the glue, paste our head part. Same procedure is repeated for the other piece of the decor. You can use the decor as like this, or you can keep a plant also. Let's see how does it look after fixing the plant. I have bought 2 indoor plants. Mix the soil and cocopeat and fill it inside the bowl and keep the plant and again fill it with the soil and cocopeat. Similarly, do it for the other one. Our cute couples are ready now. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it now and click on the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. Leave your valuable comments and keep supporting us. Bye bye, take care, see you all in the next video.